This is the Scorpius Rex, a creature that made its appearance in the Jurassic World, Camp Cretaceous series. It was the first hybrid dinosaur ever created by Dr. Henry Wu, even before the infamous Indominus Rex and Indoraptor. Initially, Scorpius Rex was meant to be showcased in Jurassic World, but Simon Masrani rejected the idea, claiming the creature was far too terrifying. This fear stemmed from its neurological disorders and the modern animal DNA within it, which granted Scorpius Rex the ability to shoot venomous spines at surrounding creatures. Although Dr. Wu was ordered to destroy the creature, he instead chose to freeze it in a stasis chamber. But eventually, Scorpius Rex escaped and became an uncontrollable threat. In this video, we'll try to understand what Scorpius Rex truly is, what makes it so distinct from other hybrid dinosaurs, and why the upcoming hybrid in Jurassic World, Dominion, the so-called DX, looks more like an alien than a dinosaur, yet another one of Dr. Wu's creations. 3 years before Indominus Rex was made, specifically in 2009, Dr. Henry Wu conducted secret experiments to engineer a hybrid theropod dinosaur called Scorpius Rex. The name was inspired by the scorpionfish, a venomous marine animal whose DNA was part of the hybridization process. These experiments took place in a secret underground lab on Isla Nublar, approved by Simon Masrani to attract investors and visitors. Previously, in 1997, Dr. Wu had successfully created a hybrid plant called Caracosis witansis and was eager to extend his genetic engineering to prehistoric animals. This led to the early development of hybrid dinosaurs like the Indominus Rex and Indoraptor. However, even from the beginning, Dr. Wu noticed oddities in Scorpius Rex's behavior and appearance, but still considered it a scientific success. When Masrani finally saw the creature, he deemed it too hideous and dangerous for public display. Later research confirmed this concern, revealing that Scorpius Rex suffered from severe mental instability. Things escalated when Dr. Wu was recording a video log of his findings. Scorpius Rex managed to escape confinement and attacked him using its venomous spines. Following this incident, Masrani ordered Dr. Wu to terminate the creature. Instead, Wu froze it in cryostasis, trapping it at an extremely low temperature to prevent further harm. Yet, during the Isla Nublar incident in December 2015, the island's security systems collapsed when Indominus Rex broke free. As the park was abandoned, the backup power that preserved Scorpius Rex weakened. Within 3 months, the hybrid thawed out and began roaming the island, posing a danger to both dinosaurs and the stranded teenagers in Camp Cretaceous. Scorpius Rex is portrayed as a medium-sized theropod, smaller than Indominus Rex but larger than the Indoraptor. One unique trait comes from the tree frog DNA, likely from the Neobatrachia group, which gave Scorpius Rex thermoregulation abilities, allowing it to hide from thermal sensors and survive in tropical climates. Remarkably, the frog DNA also unintentionally granted cryptobiosis, the ability to survive even when frozen, a trait inspired by certain cold-climate frogs. Additionally, Wu included DNA from the scorpionfish, from the Scorpinidae family. While the exact species is unknown, this genetic material was used to develop the osteological structure known as pterygiophores, manifested as fine spines along the tail, neck, and lower arms. When these spines puncture prey, they inject venom that can paralyze respiratory systems and potentially kill within minutes or hours, depending on the dose and the victim size. Once Scorpius Rex thawed, it navigated through the lab's tunnels and emerged on the island's surface. It possibly reproduced asexually through parthenogenesis, explaining why 2 Scorpius Rex individuals appear in the series. Due to their instability and aggression, both hybrids could not distinguish between friend or foe, often fighting each other. By June 2016, 6 months after Jurassic World's closure, a Scorpius Rex detected the presence of 6 teenagers who had been left behind during the December evacuation. These teens had turned the ruins of Camp Cretaceous into a treehouse shelter, but soon found themselves targeted by Scorpius Rex. One night, they heard frightened Parasaurolophus fleeing through the forest. They were being hunted by the Scorpius Rex. The hybrid used its infrared vision, similar to that of pit vipers, to detect humans hiding behind an electric fence. During the attack, one teen, Sammy, was struck by a venomous spine and nearly died. Yasmina, her closest friend, vowed to find an antidote and used a map to locate Dr. Wu's secret lab. There, she discovered the antidote labeled E750, the same code associated with the Scorpius Rex experiment. On her way back, Yasmina was ambushed by Scorpius Rex, but was saved by a volcanic eruption that distracted the creature. This revealed the hybrid's critical weakness. It is easily distracted by bright or hot objects in its vicinity. In their final confrontation, the two Scorpius Rex creatures ended up inside the old visitor center. The teenagers planned to tranquilize them, but the plan fell apart when the hybrids fought each other. Thankfully, Blue, the velociraptor, helped distract them, allowing the teens to collapse the building's support beams, crushing both Scorpius Rex creatures and ensuring their survival. With this, we've explored all of Dr. Wu's hybrid creations, Indominus Rex, Indoraptor, and Scorpius Rex. In the next installment, Jurassic World, Dominion, a new villainous hybrid named DX or Raptorex appears, but it looks nothing like a dinosaur. Instead, it resembles an alien, sparking unique fan theories. In genetics, there's a concept called Hox genes, which regulate the body plan of animals, determining where the head, limbs, and other parts form. Mutations in these genes can drastically alter body structures over millions of years, driving evolution. In the Jurassic World universe, scientists used gene splicing to combine DNA from various species. Yet, this process should not result in extreme body deformations. Fans believe that DX may have suffered from polymelia, a rare condition where animals are born with extra limbs, caused by mutations in Hox genes. This might explain DX's enormous forelimbs and its resemblance to a mutated gorilla, rather than a pure dinosaur like Tyrannosaurus Rex. In reality, such mutations occur, like a duck born with 4 legs or octogoat, an 8-legged goat from Croatia in 2014. DX might have experienced a similar mutation during its embryonic stage, leading to its unique form. However, this remains a fan theory that may be confirmed when Jurassic World, Dominion is fully revealed. This is the Scorpius Rex, a creature that made its appearance in Jurassic World, Camp Cretaceous. It was the very first hybrid dinosaur created by Dr. Henry Wu, predating even the infamous Indominus Rex and Indoraptor. Originally intended as a new park attraction, the idea was quickly scrapped by Simon Masrani, who deemed it far too terrifying due to its erratic behavior, neurological issues, and hybrid DNA that gave it the horrifying ability to fire venomous spines at its victims. Unlike previous hybrids, Scorpius Rex was more than just dangerous. It was unstable and deeply flawed. Its appearance was grotesque, its mind unpredictable, and its genetic makeup more monstrous than majestic. From tree frog DNA, granting it thermal camouflage and cryoresistance, to scorpionfish venom embedded in its spines, Scorpius Rex blurred the line between science and nightmare. Its legacy serves as a dark reminder of what happens when science is pushed too far without ethical restraint. And what makes it even more chilling? The creature could reproduce asexually, spawning another of its kind in secret, unleashing not one, but 2 monsters on the island. They became apex predators in the abandoned ruins of Isla Nublar, hunting both dinosaurs and the 6 teenagers stranded there. This terrifying hybrid had many abilities, but also weaknesses. Easily distracted by bright lights and heat sources, it was eventually brought down through teamwork and strategy, an ending that contrasted the chaos it unleashed. Looking ahead, the emergence of DX, or Raptorex, in Jurassic World, Dominion takes the concept of hybrids to new, almost alien territory. Could it be an evolutionary accident? A mutation gone too far? Fans speculate that Hox gene mutations and polymelia might explain its bizarre appearance, traits seen in rare real-life animal births. But until we get answers, one thing is clear: the ethical line between nature and invention is getting thinner. At Paleo Insights, we explore the thrilling intersections of paleontology, science fiction, and prehistoric life, helping you unravel the real science behind cinematic monsters. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the terrifying world of Scorpius Rex, Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite hybrid, and share it with fellow dino enthusiasts. Subscribe and join us as we continue to uncover the untold stories of ancient life, both real and imagined.